Hey everyone, I'm here at Disneyland with my good friend Daniel. And Daniel, I want to show you something using just a few little books that I grabbed off my shelf. You tell me if you've read any of these, okay? The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy.
Never read that before.
Never read it. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
No, but I've watched the movie.
You've seen the movie.
Yes.
Very good, very good. Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark.
No, but I've watched the movie.
And The Great Gatsby.
Never heard of it.
Never heard of it. Okay, no worries. We're going to try something really cool. I want to use two books. So I'll tell you what, you pick your favorite book, and I'll pick my favorite book, okay? Pick a book, any book.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, the one out of all of the books that you actually read. And I'm going to go ahead and pick Great Gatsby because, obviously, right? I'm going to pick Great Gatsby. But I want to try something. Hold on to that book first. I'm just going to flip through the pages like this, and all I want you to do is just say stop anytime that you want, okay? You say stop.
Stop.
Right there. Go ahead and look at the first word on that page. Don't tell me what it is. I'll even show the folks at home, hopefully, if they can see that. Okay? Focus on that word. It's a shorter word, right? Like maybe like 4 or 5 letters long.
Yeah.
Starts with the letter S.
Yes, it does.
Ends with the letter D. Focus on a letter right in the middle of that word. I'm seeing like an A. Are you thinking of the word stand?
Yes.
Yes? Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, obviously, I've memorized the first word of every single page in this book, right?
Probably, yeah.
But remember, I had you pick a book too. So we're going to do the same thing. And I'm not even going to look because I also don't want you to think that I'm just peeking over the top, right? So I'm going to look away. I'm just going to flip through the pages like this, and we'll get a random page again. You just say stop whenever you want, okay?
Stop.
Right there? Page 60, is that okay?
Yes.
Go ahead and open to page 60 in your book, please. Page 60. Go ahead and look at that first line, okay? You there?
Yes.
The first word on that line starts with the letter Y, right? And it's a smaller word, maybe like 3 letters.
Yes, 3 letters.
Is it the word U?
Yes.
We'll do it one more time, okay? I'm just going to flip through like this. You just say stop whenever you want.
Stop.
Right there? Page 98. Page 98. You got it?
Yes.
Look at that first line on page 98. I'm seeing a word starting with the letter S. You see a word on that first line starting with the letter S?
Yes, I do.
And it's maybe like 6 or 7 letters long?
Yeah.
It ends with a D. Is it the word surprised?
Yes, it is.
And there's an image on that page too, isn't there?
Yes, it is.
I'm thinking it's like, it's that girl that likes to chew gum. She's like getting bigger and bigger like a balloon. Is that true?
Yes, it is.
What?